What's going on, guys? Jordan Lee here from the Vancouver Life Real Estate Group, and today I'm standing in front of Strathcona Brewing, one of my favorite breweries here in East Van Brewery District. Now, Strathcona Brewing is just one of the many other craft breweries around in this East Van area, as well as lots of other walking distance groceries, restaurants. Everything you need is within walking distance. Let me show you my new listing here at 933 E Hastings Street. Welcome to Unit 602, come on in. Now we've got a very well laid out 2-bed, 2-bath unit here at 770 square feet. Now, before you see the unit, I want you guys to see the amazing mountain, water, and city views all from this corner unit. This corner unit boasts by far the best northwest views in the building. Featured in Canadian Architect magazine, this unit has been wonderfully cared for and features custom design curated by the current owners. Great floor plan with bedrooms on opposite sides of the living room, and guess what? Those city and water views are in every room. Have a lot of stuff? Well, have a look at this bonus. 2 bike lockers plus a huge 100 square foot private storage room for all of your belongings, as well as EV parking. Amenities in this building include 6 rooftop patios, 4 meeting rooms, and 2 gyms. Looking for your perfect East Van home? Well, I think this is it. Give me a call and I will happily show it to you. I'll see you guys at the next place.